Thank you for the introduction. It's really a pleasure for me to be part of the Embedded Vision Summit this year and to share a bit of my experience on collecting data for real-world applications. And today I want to talk to you about how important the process of dataset curation is when you're developing a computer vision model. So I have background in collecting data for real-world applications as part of my work at BMW, mainly for our traffic sign recognition function, where I organized a worldwide campaign to collect all kinds of different variants of signs across the different countries, and also been working on traffic light recognition and collecting the corresponding data to cover things like rare cases, rare traffic light variants. And I've also published a research data set for traffic lights detection. Now let's start with a view of the typical machine learning pipeline for training computer vision models. You start with collecting some data, labeling the data, training a model, and then evaluating it. And it's typically this part that research papers focus on because in academia you usually work on some benchmark data sets which are provided and already labeled, so you focus on experimenting with different models, parameters, and evaluation. But things in the real world look more like that, so it's a bit more complicated. So after you collect the data, you need first to clean it, labels, we have problems, so we need to correct them. You need to balance your data set before training your model. And this is an iterative process. So after you evaluate the performance, you need to go back to data collection or labels or balancing. And basically most of this pipeline is called dataset curation. And it's usually one of the more important things to get a really good model. So now we walk through the whole chain and I'll talk about each specific topic in more details.